Well, I was not gonna make you wait 4 or 5 minutes. It's just part of our intro that we have on the show. Luckily, I can bypass that. So I want to thank you guys for joining us here again today at in Kafko or in Kafko at Kafko in Neighborhood, and we're going to be bringing our third feature home, which is the Delight, which is located at the Reserve on Sleepy Hollow. Once again, I will be down there starting next week, Monday until Friday evening, being available to do live walk throughs with you of the home. I will probably redo these homes as well. Actually, as a live video, I've done them in the past. If that's something that you want to do, just drop a comment down below and say yes. That's exactly what we would like to do. Is have you do live walkthroughs of the home. I'll be happy to do so as long as it's not raining and yeah. So let's go ahead and talk about the third home we're featuring today, which is the Delight, which is produced by TruMH. So let's go ahead and bring that up on the screen, have a better view. So the Delight, like I mentioned, is a single wide home manufactured by True. It's on home site number 12. So home site number 12 is located on Verde Valley Lane. Address is 19450 Valley Verde Lane. So while we're at the initial phase right now, the first entrance is gated off. You would have to come in from the second entrance, turn to the right on Hanover Drive, turn left, and halfway through Verde Valley, you'll end up on home site number 12. So yesterday we did home site number 8, which was another home manufactured by True, called the Elation. And then on home site number 4 was the Santa Fe, which is manufactured by Palm Harbor, Austin. So as we go through, we'll be able to do home site 16, 20, 127, and then several others as we're down there at the Reserve on Sleepy Hollow. So once again, this is the home site here. So let's go ahead and let's close that out and go back to the home. So once again, the address for the website of ours is www.kafkoinneighborhood.com. And when you get to the home site, you're just going to go down to the neighborhoods, click on the Reserve on Sleepy Hollow. And I'll take you to the subpage for Sleepy Hollow. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to go directly to home site number 12, click home details, and it'll bring you back to this page here. Just like yesterday, you'll be able to see a virtual tour of this home. Now, I can tell you, I definitely want to go and do a live tour of this specific home because there was some changes done to this home here that I think you're going to truly like. And especially for the price that the home is going to be. But here are some pictures of the home with furniture inside of the house. I will actually be there doing pictures to load version 2. So when you looked at home site 4 and 8, you saw a blank picture that said V2, that means version 2, which will be the pictures of the actual home from the inside. I think you'll be really surprised as far as the way that home looks. Now this home here is a 14 by 60. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, manufactured once again by TruMH. So let's go ahead and let's do a look at the virtual tour. Now before actually we get in there, you can see the floor plan. So we have bedroom number 2, which is 8.5 feet this way by 13 feet this way. Your living room is 13 by 13. I don't have the dimensions as far as the dining room, kitchen, and utility room, but your master is 11 by 13 with a tub shower combo with a single vanity sink, your commode, and then your closet area. So let's go ahead and close that out and take a look at the virtual tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them down in the comments. Be more than happy to. Let's do full screen so that way it's a lot better for you guys. since TruMH is not part of the Calfville family brand, it does not come with the exclusive 12-year structural warranty. But what we have done is purchased a 5-year structural warranty for the home through Shurian. Shurian also covers your appliances after the first year, all the way up to year 5. That includes the refrigerator, the stove, and then the dishwasher that's located behind here, which we'll take a look at. Includes the water heater, furnace, and the air conditioner as well after year 1 all the way to year 5. Now, the TruMH models come with a Smart Comfort AC and heating unit by Carrier. Now, our homes that we have at the reserve on Sleepy Hollow, there is no carpet. This is all going to be one-piece laminate throughout the home, so don't have to worry about carpeting. Once again, this is just an example of what the home looks like. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom here. Comes with the tub shower combo, single vanity. I apologize, there is a little bit of lag. You totally understand why I have lag. I don't have that big of a graphics card, and I am running literally 3 screens right now in order for us to give you a decent production of this live feed. So with the dishwasher being here, you also get the extended countertop here, because the normal floor plan would have this cut off from this setup. You have your washroom. Looks like the feed is lagging quite a bit. I apologize about that. At least that's what my screen is showing here. If it is lagging, I apologize. Once again, you can go to the link that's supported in the details of the video. It'll take you directly to the home itself. You'll be able to click on the 3D Matterport link and do a walkthrough of the home itself for you. So as I finish this virtual tour of the home, we're going to talk about the price, what the current move-in incentive is for this home for the grand opening. Let me go ahead and exit out of that. And let's take a look at the price. So home site number 8. I'm sorry, we did 8 yesterday. Home site number 12. So home site number 12 originally is priced at $99,974. We have a almost a $12,000 price reduction for our move-in, which is going to be $87,977. The home site fee here is $775 per month, which includes the storage shed as well. If you're interested in setting up an appointment to go out and take a look at these homes, I'll be there Monday through Friday. All we have to do is give me a holler, either here through a direct message, or you can email me at gm088@palmharbor.com, or if you're on the webpage, you can click on Schedule Tour. Be happy to assist you guys. If you're needing an appointment this weekend, we can actually set that up as well with one of our partners there in the Conroe area to have you go through and take a look at the home. So aside from that, that will be it for today's featured home. I greatly appreciate you guys. I hope you have a fantastic Friday and you have a great weekend. And I look forward to seeing you in person over the next few days while I'm down there at the reserve on Sleepy Hollow in Conroe. If you're interested in not only the reserve but also other communities in the Conroe area, you can also shoot us a call at 817-766-4250. Be happy to see what we can offer you as far as additional home sites. As always, have a great day. God bless.